What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Jesus Coin. Oh, yes, we are. Oh, yes, we are. You guys, it's looking good. It's looking good. We are getting the price action that we need to see. Now, it's looking good, but don't get too excited. It's not confirmed yet. We still have a lot of work to do, okay? We can do a lot of things from here, okay? We can continue to go up. We can meander our way up. We can, like whatever. We could literally come down, form a double bottom, and then go up, right? A whole lot of things can happen from here. Okay, so it's not over if we go down. It's not over to the upside if we go up. It's looking good. Things are looking really good. But to be fair, it's looking good, and yet from December 21st to here, less than a month later, we're still down 61.6%, okay? So just remember where we are. Remember how far down we've come, okay? The RSI on the daily is still below the 50, but we broke above the 40. We broke above the bearish area of control. Can you feel it? Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? I feel it. I'll tell you what I'm feeling. I'm feeling like a complete barnacle. I forget what he says, but I'm feeling like we're going to go up. I really am. But TA prices, price action doesn't care about your feelings. It really doesn't. It just does what it wants to do anyways. This is a hell of a week. It's a hell of a bearish week. Hell of a bearish week for sure. This is a hell of a bullish week. This is a dragonfly doji right now. As of right now, we still have 2 days left in the week. It doesn't say it here because for some reason on Dex Screener you don't get countdowns to the bar close after 4 hours. You can have it on 4 hours, but when it's on the daily or the weekly, you just don't get it anymore. But the week right now, you guys, is looking very strong. The week is looking strong. On the Heikinashi, we are still red, right, on the weekly, and that's okay. The last time and the only time that we've seen 2 red weeks in a row, it started in an onslaught to the downside that lasted for months, multiple months. Could we see that now? Absolutely. Again, why you shouldn't get too excited, but maybe a little bit excited, right? Because Heikinashi be damned, it still looks pretty good. On the daily yesterday, we did get a green day. If we can get another green day, that would be great. But we have had green days here in the midst of this downturn, right? We even had a big flush out and then some green days, and then we continue to move down. Could we right now be moving up, forming another lower high, and then moving down? All those things are possible. So again, it's exciting, but we're not really in like the true realm of excitement until we break above that line. Until we break above about 6055. We're still hopefully thinking that we're going to go up. Now, I'm going to say some of the same things that I said in yesterday's video because I want to bring out why we have hope. What's so significant about it? From the closing highs here to where we found our bottom, we literally broke out to new all-time highs. We checked back on the previous all-time highs, and now we're reversing. Now we're bouncing like this. This is a really good look. This is one of the most bullish looks in charts, okay? But it's not confirmed. It's a bullish look now. All it would take to get rid of this is next week we go down. We don't even have to go down below the line. If we go back down to the line, it's not going to be as bullish as it looks now. So while it is like this, bask in it, enjoy it for what it is. But, I mean, to be fair, this is a really good look, you guys. It's very, very rare that this kind of look does not produce some upside. So I am definitely excited for Jesus Coin. Furthermore, I'm excited because on the RSI, we have a lower low, right? Lower low, it's lower than any of these lows. I guess it is lower than this low, and we do have lower price. But like you're significantly lower than these lows here, but you have a significantly higher low. That is a form of hidden bullish divergence. I would say it is. Not only that, but like if you kind of had a straight line here with the trajectory of price, this low kind of comes in with that. All the stars are aligning, man. All the stars are aligning. It looks really, really good. From low here to high, you bounced right off your 382 as well. On a strong move, finding support on your 382 is common. And when you find that support on the 382, you generally, not genuinely, but why is it doing this? Generally, you see an extension off of it. So top to bottom, 60879 to 60149 are the potential targets, and potentially even higher than that. And in my video yesterday, I was talking about how Jesus Coin has proven that it likes its 1414. So maybe we go literally right. I said, sorry, 6 zeros 879 to 5 zeros, not 6 zeros. Sorry, 5 zeros 149. If you saw it, you knew what I meant. But if you're just listening, you might not have. It might have sounded funny, but 5 zeros 149 is what. Maybe I said 5 zeros. I think I said 6 zeros though when I was talking about this, but. The 1414 is literally right there at that 501, kind of 5011 level. So Jesus Coin does like its 1414. A lot of cryptos do. It could go there. It might not stop at any of these. It might go higher because, again, you guys, this is an extremely bullish look. For now, it's an extremely bullish look. What's also common in fibs is you bounce off your 382. You come up to your 236, and then you work your way down to the 618. That's a very common maneuver. So again, we don't have any confirmation one way or another yet. Nothing to bet the bank on that we're going up. No reason to sell the whole bank, the whole bag, because we're going down. We don't know yet, right? We don't have a rejection off the 236, but what we do have is not just a bounce off the 382, but we actually didn't even touch it. We got really close, but we didn't even touch it, and that in itself is very bullish as well. Definitely something to get jacked over. And again, I feel like I am saying a lot of the same stuff from yesterday, but maybe you didn't see the video, maybe you're just you've heard it and you're like just say it again, C-Zar. Yeah, give me more. And I can't give you more, but I can give you the same stuff over and over again. Other than today, I guess this is a little bit of a different thing. Again, closing above the 40, that's a pretty big deal. The last time that we were below the 40 and we closed above it, but that started us off on this. Though I don't think we're getting the same reaction now. Totally different market circumstances. From low here to this high, bounced right off the 1618. Golden extension. We're back above the 1272. From here, what would be a really good look is to close above the 60252 marker. If we were to take, I'm going to get rid of this 5 here, 60252, I think that's also close to this. Nope, I don't know what I was thinking. But here on this fib, closing above 6031 essentially would also be a good look. Those are like two things that we need to do, and we're pretty close to it. We look like we could be doing it, but we're not quite there yet. But man, sorry, I just got a notification on some. It's got me, kind of distracted me, but nonetheless, guys, I think we're going to go up. I do think we're going to go up. Things look really good right now. We're getting the exact kind of price action that I like to see, that anybody likes to see. Don't forget where we are. It's nice to get excited about this, but you guys, this is small potatoes for Jesus Coin, right? We're not seeing these moves yet, so let's continue to climb. If we pull back, let's get higher lows. There's nothing wrong with pulling back. Let's just get higher lows. Let's not close a day below this. Even if we get a lower low, it's not completely over. We could get a slightly lower low and still form some kind of a double bottom. As long as we're not closing below this low, I think we're in good shape, and especially so if we're forming higher lows. Get some higher lows. We haven't had it yet, right? If you look at this, for what it is, we've got the low here. We're coming up right now. We've yet to form our higher low, like a convincing higher low. So we probably won't just move straight up like this. We could. Anything can happen. But at some point, we're probably going to come back and form a higher low, right? We probably are going to see prices below this at some point. Don't get discouraged if that happens. And don't get discouraged if it's not a higher low, because one way or another, guys, we all know where this is going to go. Even if this whole bullish outlook that we're all hoping for, I know we all are. Maybe not the Satanists. Maybe the Satanists are, man. Maybe they want to see Jesus Coin do good. I don't know. I'm not. I don't know. I don't have any person to reference on that. I wouldn't think they would, but who knows? Maybe it's the Islamics, but maybe the Islamics want to do it good too, man. I'm going off on a whole different tangent here. Okay, it's a crypto. I hope nobody's taking offense to what I'm saying. I hope everybody is as lighthearted as I am about it. And if not, I apologize that you have a stick up your butt. But what I'm trying to say is that I do think that we're going to move higher. I absolutely do think that we're going to move higher. Bouncing off this 886 again, this is what got me really excited, like yesterday. All the other stuff aside, this alone is a really, really good look right here, man. Breaking into your extended zone, coming back and finding, like you you bounced, man, right off your 886. Like, this is a classic maneuver when seeing deeper extensions. And where's the next level after the 1414? It's right here at the 1618, 5 zeros, 109. And we already have another target, the 1414, from this move down to, or up to down, that lines up right there as well. So there is multiple things pointing to this area, even pointing higher than that. Things are looking good, but time will tell. I don't think that we're going to go there in a week or two. We absolutely could. We could wake up tomorrow and boom. I did have a dream, man, that whenever we moved up there, it was just, it was a straight one-day bar that just took us there. But from how low, I don't know. Maybe it was this low, maybe it was a little bit higher. But I did see 5 zeros in that dream. I did see the biggest daily candle out of any of these days that I've seen. So maybe a big move is coming, man. And maybe my dream's wrong. Maybe it doesn't happen exactly like that. But you guys, I've explained this before. I believe I'm a seer of sorts with this kind of stuff. I'm not trying to say I can predict the future. I'm just saying sometimes, man, my dreams come true. Okay, they do. I had a dream that CZ from Binance would get in trouble, legal trouble, that Binance would get frozen. Ever since then, I took my money off Binance. Look at him now, man. Look at what's going on now. And that's just one example, and that is with crypto. But I've had dreams before that have also come true with crypto and with other things in my life as well. But this isn't about that. This is more about TA. I don't want to go off on the deep end here with the hooey fooey stuff. I'm just trying to say I had a dream that we saw a candle that was like that, man, all the way up to the 5 zeros marker, all the way up there, and that's yet to happen. And I do think it will happen. And if it doesn't happen exactly like this, if it happens like this and it meanders, I'm okay with that. I'm not going to be upset. And everything I was saying before still stands true. It would be nice to get a higher low. It would be really nice to get a higher high. If we get price above this high here, that'd be really nice. But getting both of them together, getting a higher high and a higher low, that would be, we'd go from being hopeful to like, things are changing, man. Things are like, the expectation has changed. Really closing above this price here, this low closing point, closing above 6026, that's where it was. That's where that number came from. Closing above there would be very significant. So let's do that. Let's keep moving up. If we move down, it's okay. As long as we're not closing below here. Even if we move below there, it's okay. As long as we're not closing below there, it's okay. And let's go, man. It's very, very unconventional that we don't see the oversold zone. But generally speaking, when something does this and it's like moving strong, you don't have to. This is a sign of strength. It's not conventional. Generally speaking, you would go down. So if you're not showing these signs of weakness in an unconventional way, that's because you might be showing strength, man. This is another form of strength, even in these weaker zones. Just as when you're expected to hit the overbought zone and you can't, you fall short, that's a sign of weakness too. So where this would be a sign of strength. So a lot of good things going for Jesus Coin. Just keep it going, man. Don't stop the party here. If it stops here, we've got a lot more downside to go, and that's okay, because guess what? Every person that bought up here, I'm sure you all wish you could have bought down here. Well, if the party stops here, you're going to get a chance to buy down there. That's for sure. Don't sell. Not financial advice. I'm not selling. I've bought throughout all this, man. I have literally bought throughout all this. I didn't buy down here. I wish, or no. Yeah, no, I didn't buy down here. I bought down here. I was going to buy down here, but I was on vacation, man. I was getting married. It was New Year's. I stepped away from the charts. By the time I saw this, it was already back up here. So I bought down here, though. I'm happy with that. I bought up here. I bought down here. I bought down here. I bought down here. I bought lower than that. You know, I actually bought in this range several times. But you can't win them all. Sometimes you're going to buy the highs. And all you can hope for is that the price will go up. And if it doesn't, guess what? You'll have a chance to buy lower at cheaper prices to really bring that dollar cost average down so that your gains go up overall. But things are looking good, guys. Things are looking really, really good. I'm excited to see what's in store for Jesus Coin over the next month or two. Hopefully we get some upside. And if not, opportunity is still there, okay? Just in the form of buying lower instead of selling higher. So that's all I got. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.